Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to upload and share files on Google Drive. So before starting the video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open up your favorite browser on your PC, and then here you will type Drive, Google Drive, and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail account. So this is my drive here, as you can see here. So first of all, I will tell you that how you can basically upload the video on your drive. So let's suppose that if I wanted to upload this image here, so what I will do here is I will just drag and drop this image here, and here you can see that this image is starting uploading, and now you can see that one image has been uploaded. So what I will do here is I will just refresh this page here, and you will see the image here. So here is the image that you can see. Okay, so now how I can basically share this image with someone else. So what you're gonna have to do basically here, that you will just tap on these three dots at the top right here, and now here you can see this option where it says share. Just tap on this one, and then what's you're gonna have to do basically, that you will just enter the email of that specific person that you want to share with, and also you can basically general access. Okay, so now it is on a restricted mode, which means that only people with the access can open with the link. Okay, now the person that you can share this image with, only that specific person can have the access to view this image or to download this image. But if we change the access from a restricted mode to anyone with the link, then what this will do is that we just have to share the link of this image with that specific person, and that person will use that link to download our image here. Okay, so that's how to share any file on Google Drive. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.